Don't get it wrong, my friend. Attraction, magnetic attraction with women, with men, in public, living the life that you want to live comes from these things that I'm going to explain to you today. Listen up, man. Stick with me through the entire video and learn how to become magnetic. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, we're going over magnetic attraction, how to create that vibe that people are drawn to, women are drawn to, okay? Let's dive into this. Let's keep this short and sweet and full, packed full of something that you can implement today. I want you to be able to walk away from this video and implement the things that I teach you step by step into your daily life. Watching content all day and then not taking action, don't do that. You're creating an addiction to content just like you would with freaking porn, man. It's another jerk. You're just jerking something else off. Stop it. Take action. Now let's begin. What do you want to do? You want things. You feel like you need to have things in your life. I don't care what it is. Wealth, health, success, women, business associates, whatever you want, man. But you must learn. Absolutely, positively, you must learn to let go. Let go of all of the wants, all of the needs, that neediness, that desire to be complete by something else. This is the absolute wrong path. This is what repels things from you. The things you want, the things you desire, to actually desire them repels them. Another way that you can absolutely be magnetic is to expand your vibration, man. When you expand your vibration, now this can become dangerous. Everything is you pushed out. So by expanding your vibration, you will get exactly what you are. If you're sad and depressed and you're in this form of just bullshit, if you've created this false identity of yourself that is negative, low vibration, you will get that into your life. You can attract and be magnetized to anything, so choose wisely. Expand your vibration through meditation, through separating yourself from wants and needs and desires and all that stuff and get out of lack. Just simply stop it. You will get everything you want if you just let it go and expand your vibration. Pay attention, my friend. This is extremely important. The things you must stop doing to become magnetic, to have that pure, true magnetic attraction, it has to come from the place of truth, authenticity, congruence with your core being. Now, from the external, you can go backwards and create what you want, doing away with and stopping things that don't serve you on your path of development. And one of those things, man, talking smack. Smack. Just bad-mouthing people, man. Judging people. Now look, man, this goes in deep. Being grumpy, okay? Continually riding that vibration of sadness, bitching, griping, complaining, talking smack and judging people around you, standing in line at the grocery store, judging somebody's shoes, judging the food they have in their cart. This is the wrong vibration. Just stop doing that. You must stop, absolutely freaking stop being soft. And I don't mean start being a hard ass. In a way, I do mean this, but you must be a giving, caring, enlightened, joyful, happy person. Stop being soft, like giving up on your progress, your development, not going into the gym, eating the unhealthy food. There has to be some sort of discipline. And then through this discipline, the vibe that you create is of so much value and importance that the universe cannot deny you of being magnetic to the things that you actually want. Okay? This is so important. If somebody would have told me this years ago, like, dude, look, man, give it up. Work on you. If you focus on you, the things that you want will also focus on you. That's the trick, the true trick to having absolute magnetic attraction. When you are full of life because it's that life in which you give yourself, people cannot deny that. People will be automatically drawn to you. In the future, when you actually put this into play and take this and go forth and make something of yourself, be careful, man. This is why I always tell my clients, do not put the cart before the horse. If you're trying to act high value and act like a masculine individual, you're going to attract the wrong people because it's fake, it's a facade, it's a mask. You want to handle the real base level shit first. Then on top of that, as you build, greatness happens, absolute greatness. On top of all that, if you haven't already guessed, you need to absolutely stop being stagnant. Absolutely stop being stagnant. Don't just sit there and dwell in that puddle of bullshit. We all start somewhere, man. You can either cry about it and whine about it and get nowhere and do that every freaking year, or you can actually make progress. And progress doesn't have to be this epic conquest. No, man. Little by little. Start small. Start small. For example, your fitness. Instead of going to a whole full-blown workout, full body, all these crazy compound movements, just go on a walk. Just go on a walk. If you're having trouble with your diet, you need to start getting on that healthy train. Just remove one thing. Just remove one thing. Maybe add a couple of vegetables. Or take away that ice cream at the end of the day. Or maybe just have half of the ice cream. Your spirituality, just meditate in the morning. A couple minutes. 5 minutes. 3 minutes. Easy. With your passion and purpose in life, start trying to either find out, brainstorm what you love and what you could do forever and what drives you. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. But just brainstorm it. Just try to find it. That's what you need to do. Instead of trying this thing and then going full blown on that thing. No. Step back. Baby steps. That's how you become an exceptional, magnetic, absolutely magnetic human being. If you, my friend, would like to learn step by step how to become an exceptional human being through separation of the body and the spirit, link is in the description, man. Check out the meditation workshop. It'll do you right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.